Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from TechInfo. In this video, I will be showing you how to add streak counter to Notion. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Before we start, if you want to know how to add any of these widgets to Notion, I'll link few video links in the description. In order to add this simple streak counter to your Notion page, first open your browser and search for indify.co. On this website, you have to log in and scroll down a bit. Here, hover onto the counter widget and click on Create Widget. Now, give your counter a title. I'll call it Streak Counter. Now click on Continue. Wait for a minute till the widget is being made. Now you can play around with the settings to match it to your theme in Notion. Once done, you have to copy the link from the bottom left corner. Now, come over to Notion and paste the link to any free space where you want the widget to be inserted. You can see three options where you can click on the third one, Create Embed, and give it a minute and voila! The widget is successfully added. If you want to know how to add any of the widgets in my Notion page, I'll link all the video tutorials in the description and the I button.